Hey guys, sorry I'm not really looking well. I still look like I woke up, but I'm so excited because I finally got the Lumi Noodle TV and monitor BIOS light. So I was very specific that I get it from Lumi Noodle. I got this from Amazon and I need a bias lighting. So a bias lighting is basically a light behind your monitor. I was having a hard time with color grading and I'm getting eye strains. And when I googled more about it, I found out about bias lighting. I watched this video. I'm gonna see if I can find the video and link it so you can learn from it too. They were talking about how important bias lighting is when it comes to editing, or if you're even a gamer, and actually even if you just want to watch a film, the difference it makes. So I'm excited to test this out basically and see how it goes. It came with an instructions pack, and this is the bias lighting. Came with like I guess like a leaflet. They sell other products too. And yeah, I should have videoed it when I opened, but I was just so excited and I realized I should do a video about it. So I just pretty much opened it, and yeah, I really like the packaging. So the first thing you do is, before you take this tape out, you have to test that the USB fits on one of your ports at the back of your screen. On the monitor. Oh, there you go. Oops. So, let me take my hard drive out. So, I don't think, can I put this out? Yeah. Just to mark 10 centimeters. Wow, 10 centimeters. Okay. Clean the back. I'm wearing my hoodie so that my hair doesn't get in the way. Right, okay, so as you can see, there's this sticky tape. So the other side, I don't know if you can see it, the other side is the tape, the other side's the light. Okay, so here's a bit of a close-up. I'm trying to bend it, and that's like the best way I can bend it. It's just to bend over it, but I just can't bend it. I thought I had enough to meet here at the end. It looks like I won't. So I think I'm just, and I don't even need to cut it because it says if the length is too long you can cut it. Look, they put cut marks where you can cut it. Here. And I thought I was gonna cut it because it actually looked like it would be long, but I didn't have to. So this is the finished product. This is how I just pretty much curved it. It was really hard to curve, especially if there's the square on the curved part. Like on here, that was just hard to curve. But just gonna press that down, see how it goes. Okay, so this is my table. You can see there's some halo light at the background, and this is what the picture looks like. Maybe I should close the curtains so you really see it. Maybe that will help. I'll just do that right now. There you go. My curtains are closed. And there it is. There's my channel. Now, let's see. Without bias lighting. I hope me pulling it out doesn't. There you go. So that's why it looks like without it. There you go. So there it is.